So I made it to AutoZone, and they were literally walking to the door to lock it. You know that look employees give you when they're getting ready to close up, and then they see you like walking right up to the door? They're like, oh. You know, they want to be polite and smile at you, but at the same time they're like, damn it, why did you show up? I was just closing the door. But I got them to laugh and let me in and find my parts on my own without having to look up whether or not if it was four-wheel drive or automatic. And what we're going to do now is play the MacGyver game. So we're using some hoses that I just found and some clamps that I just got. It's not really going to fit that easily in that hole, but we're going to go ahead and give it a shot anyways, right? Why not? Okay, it looks like I'm right on it. Looks like. There we go. There we go. There we go. See if I can get that somewhat close. Oops. All right, and we'll use a flathead or something like that to slide the clamp down. Ooh, where are those neat-looking needle-nose pliers I was using earlier? Those would work out great. Just want to get the clamp over the nipple of the hose. You don't want to squeeze it too tight either. Okay. I'm going to mount the intake hose. That's what I'm guessing this is called, because nobody knew what to call this at the dealership when I showed them the part, and nobody knew how to find it. I don't understand what happened to this generation. The generation before this was still having a difficult time doing simple things. But this new generation, man, you guys have no concept of self-pride. You just want to get your clock time in and go. You don't care about that stuff. I don't know what's going to happen to you guys in 20 years. But I hope to God that if you're watching this, that you're developing some skills while you guys laugh with me. Because I'm really recording this stuff for myself. Ugh. I'm just glad you guys watch, because it's entertaining while you learn. You know? I know I'm wild. Ugh. Alright. That looks about accurate to me. That's probably not the best tool to do this with. Alright, so that one's done. That one's had some time to squeeze and get better. Alright, yep, that was the one. So I feel like maybe this is it. We've already cleaned and rebuilt that PCV housing. We made O-rings that match. Now we have a new hose. The last thing to do is give her a squeeze and see if she sneezes. Ready? Tell me if you hear anything. There we go. Shit, what is that? I hear it. It's so light, but it's definitely making a noise. Damn, let me get a hose and see if I can get real close to it. Alright, so this is a good trick. You put one of these to your ear and the other one to whatever it is you're trying to check out. Okay, whatever it is, it's leaking on the back side over here. Couldn't use that before. I don't know if I can use that now. Damn. Yeah, it's not going away. So I got to replace that O-ring. Dang, that's a lot of work. Still got to do something with that O-ring and or the fitting itself. Dang. To be continued, man. I'm going to go ahead and take a pause for a moment.